Check this out, folks. Bought my Lambo with my Saitama profits today, and it's a Hot Wheels Lambo. I actually have the same one in my collection. Hello everyone, and welcome to a place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are going to be talking about none other than Saitama Inu. And of course, I will be providing you with that price prediction. But if you want to find out where the price is going to go from here, you're going to need to stick around till the end of the video, because I have some news, very interesting news that I would not want you to miss out on. Now, before we go over the news, I would like to share some stats with you first, guys. Now, at this moment, Saitama Inu's value is 0.70179, and that's actually a slight drop in the amount of 7.04%, guys. And take a look at the trading volume. It's actually up by 19.30%. Now, let's take a look at that chart for the last 24 hours. As you can see, it's mostly in the red. It did start the day in the low greens, but after that it dropped and it got all the way down to the support level. But then it got over here. And where it's gonna go from here, if you want to find out, guys, make sure you stick around till the end. And now, let's go over some news. Take a look at this, guys. One of the Saitama developers, Russ, will be holding an AMA on Sandstorm channel at 5 p.m. EST on Tuesday, which is in 13 hours, 15 minutes, and 37 seconds, guys. So set up a reminder and don't miss out Russ on Sandstorm, guys. Now, of course, one of the reasons why we can say that Saitama's value is down a bit is this one. That's actually a termination of agreement with Lily Finance from February 10th. And of course, there is another thing, guys, that didn't work out good for Saitama, and that's the saitamask swap function still not working. They are actually adding some new things, adding some patches and new updates, but it's still not working. So take a look at this, what it resulted in. Saita Ultimatum, Wolfpack Accountability of Saitama LLC. We are tired of promises, under delivery, missed deadlines, and reasonless hype. Failure to cater the community's demands will result in full loss of trust, and we as investors will leave for other projects that respect our time, energy, and money. We are not here to spread feud. We are here to hold Saitama accountable. Join Saitama Ultimatum and demand answers. So as you can see, community is not satisfied with the recent failures of Saitama developers to deliver the fully functioning saitamask, and of course that Lily Finance deal going sour. Now, this is one of the reasons why the value of Saitama is dropping. And if we take a look at the last 7 days before that announcement that Lily investment agreement is terminated, and before the last update for saitamask not functioning, value was in the green, but then it started dropping. So where it will go from here, make sure you stay with us till the end, and I promise you I will deliver on the prediction. Now, of course, we are still not close to the all-time high Saitama had on November 16. We are actually 93.62% away from it. And if it continues this way, with swap not working and the deals going sour, I think that they may remain in the red line. But let's see the new things coming for Saitama before we continue, guys. Check this out. Hey everyone, plenty of work has gone into Saitamask this week. I've been off social, and as the engineers and I have been focusing on our stability program of Saitamask and Swap. We plan on releasing our next version soon, but taking a more careful approach into testing cycles. So that's a good thing, guys. That, if you're asking me, that's something they should have done before they released the previous couple of updates with Swap not working. They said that they had some problems with front-running bots, but it appears they still do. So let's hope that this last update, the one that's in the testing, will work and the Saita swap function will be working. Now, there is one great news, guys. We are thrilled to share a sneak peek of Punk, the NFT platform we've been working on. Open to artists, it will connect to Saitamask and Saitamaker in the future. Join us on beta tested soon. So this is a great news. There is a good thing coming for Saitama, and that's that NFT platform, and of course Saitamaker will be available in the future. It has been announced earlier, guys. Now, all of you know that Saitama has a very strong social community. You can check out their Twitter account, the number of followers they have, And of course, you can see that they are fairly active. There are news regarding the last projects, what's going on and what's being fixed. Also, you can check out the Saitama token Reddit community. That's actually a bit more active community because the fans are posting all the time about how they feel regarding the projects and what's going on and if they are satisfied or not. Now guys, before I go back to the price prediction, I would first need to tell you that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, with everything I have just told you, with all the things happening inside Saitama community and fans not being satisfied, I would advise you to refrain from investing into Saitama just for a bit longer, at least until this price goes back into green and holds steady for a while. So at the moment, I think that Saitama Inu is not a good investment. Hopefully they will change the color into green in the next couple of days. If you like the video, please share and thank you for viewing.